Halo for the visionary. Welcome to AI Colony, where we turn creative dreams into reality. Today, we are going to create a realistic song generated by AI. This is an example of the final result that we will achieve.
You called me back when I was breaking down. A steady hand that pulled me from the drown. Through every wreck, you never left my side. No path too lost, no soul too far to find.
First, open ChatGPT and enter a prompt like this. I've prepared all the prompts in a downloadable PDF file. The link is in the description. Replace capital words according to your desired theme, genre, and tempo. For example, I asked ChatGPT to generate 7 song title ideas. This is an example. Click on this button and ChatGPT will provide 7 options. Choose the one you like the most, changing the numbers as you selection. Now we start with the first stanza. You can customize everything to your liking. Ask for 5 lines, changing the number of syllables per line, shorter or longer. Unleash your creativity. I asked for the perfect rhyme pattern. Click this button. Here's the result. I think this version is pretty good, so let's move on to the second stanza. Enter this command and click Generate. Here's the result. For other variations, repeat the previous steps. Now, to the chorus section. I entered this command, asking for 8 syllables per line to match the song title, which is also 8 syllables. For consistency, I ask that all lines have 8 syllables. Please experiment as freely as you can. Click Generate. Here's the result. Finally, let's create the bridge section. I entered this command. The results are quite satisfactory, so we continue. With the complete lyrics in hand, it's time to turn it into a whole song. Open Suno.com, click Create in the side menu. Title the song according to ChatGPT's suggestions. Select your custom and paste your lyrics. Label each part accordingly, verse for the stanza, chorus for the chorus, and bridge for the bridge part. For the To Styles section, let's consult ChatGPT again. Enter this command. Customize the genre and gender of the vocalist to your taste. Click Generate. The result is too long and detailed. Ask for a simpler version with 200 characters of ChatGPT. This version is quite compact for Suno. Copy it up to this point and paste it into the Styles section of Suno. Click Create and wait. Suno will produce 2 songs. Let's listen to the first song.
We carved our names in rust on that old railroad sign. The night was thick with stars and tangled smoke and pine.
Beautiful results and according to my expectations. Now the second song.
Never too far to find. Your light stays in my mind.
This song is more easy listening. I chose the first one. Click on the 3 dots on the right, select Download, then a MP3 audio. If a pop-up appears, click a Download anyway. Save the song. Next, we'll create an image. I use Google AI Studio, but you can use other image generators. Now, we need to enter the prompt. Let's ask ChatGPT to create an optimal prompt. Enter this command. Copy it from the PDF file and replace the yellow word as desired. Explain in as much detail as possible to maximize results. For example, I created this prompt. Click Generate. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into Google AI Studio. In the Tags section, select the one that matches your prompt. For aspect ratio, select a portrait 9:16. Click Create and wait for the process to complete. It usually produces 2 images. Click a Download and save the image. Since the image is low resolution, we will upscale before creating the video. There are many sites that provide upscale image services. This time, we will use Runway. In the side menu, select Raw Tools. On this page, click on Upscale Image. Upload your image here. Wait for the upload process to complete. In the side menu, click Process. Wait a minute. Here's the result. Click here Download and save the image. Now we're ready to move on to the next step, turning images into videos. Use any video generator you like. I chose Kling AI. Sign up and create a new account. In the side menu, click Videos. Under Video Generation, select Kling 1.6. There is no need for the latest version as it requires more credits. Kling 1.6 is enough. Upload the upscaled image here. Click to Inspiration and Presets. Select the camera is stationary to keep the video static. Enter this prompt. Copy from PDF file. In the negative prompt section, enter this prompt. Set the duration to 10 seconds. Leave other settings by default. Click here Generate and wait for the process to complete. Here's the result. The movements are very natural, there is nothing strange. If you are not satisfied, click Degenerate again. If it matches, click here Download. Next, we'll sync the video with the song. This process is called lip syncing. We'll use a site called sync.so that provides lip sync for videos up to 1 minute. Since our song is 3.2 minutes long, we have to cut it first. Use any software you want, I use CapCut. Import the song into CapCut, place it on the timeline, and cut the desired section. I just want the chorus part, roughly this long. When you're done, click Export. Check the audios and uncheck video. Use MP3 format. Click Export. Now, we're ready for lip syncing. Go to sync.so and sign up. On this page, click Create Project. Click on Browse to upload the video. Then, upload the cut song. Leave all the default settings. Click on the blue Generate button. Wait for it to finish. Once done, click here Download. Now, we're going to remove the watermark from the video. Visit media.io. Click Remove Watermark now. Upload the lip-synced video here. Set the size of the brush and apply it to the watermark. When you're done, click Remove Objects now. Wait for the process to complete. Click here Download to save the video. Before editing, we'll increase the resolution of the video. There are many video upscale services available. I use the online version of CapCut instead of the desktop app. Open a browser and sign into CapCut.com. Sign up by email. Once logged in, click on Magic Tools in the side menu. Scroll down and click on Video Upscaler. Upload your video here. Click Upscale and wait for the process to complete. When you're done, click Export. On the next page, click on Download. Now, we are ready for the final step. Editing. Import videos and songs in CapCut. Place the video on the timeline and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select the video and song, right-click on the video, and select Sync Video and Audio. Check the beginning and end sections to ensure synchronization. The beginning is just right, the end needs a little adjustment. Right-click on the video, select the Extract Audio, and then delete the bottom audio track. Now we can start editing the video. The goal is to make videos more dynamic. I'll start by cutting the video into sections, adjusting the cut to the music. Then, I'll add a keyframe in that scale a parameter like this, creating a gradual zoom effect. This is an example. Moving on to the next section, click on Effects and search for Kaleidoscope. Drag the effect onto the video. I also added a keyframe in that scale a parameter in the same way. Here, I zoom the video up to 120% without a keyframe. Continue this process for all other parts of the video. When you're done, add transitions between segments. Click Transitions. I wanted to use the burn transition, so I searched for and selected the burn. Drag and drop between these two video segments. For this part, I want a different transition. Let's try mix. Continue. adding transitions between each video clip to make the flow feel smoother and more professional. You can experiment with different transition styles, just make sure it matches the rhythm and emotion of the song you're composing. Click on the video clip, then go to the Filters tab. Choose a filter that matches the feel of the song. You can also adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make it look more solid. Now, it's time to add the final touch, lyrics or subtitles. Go to the text section and select Auto Captions. Choose a language that suits your song. CapCut will automatically create the subtitles. Correct the lyrics if necessary. Set typefaces, sizes, colors, and positions to keep them easy for your audience to read. Continue by adding the song title at the beginning of the video. Click on Text, choose an attractive text preset, and type in the title of your song. Place it in the center of the screen, add animations to make it even cooler, and set the duration to just a few seconds. Now, your AI-based music video is almost ready. Click the Export button, choose the best resolution, I recommend 1080p or even 4K, and then wait for the process to complete. After that, download the results, your music AI video is ready to go live and go viral.
You called me back when I was breaking down. A steady hand that pulled me from the drown. Through every wreck, you never left my side. No path too lost, no soul too far to find. Never too far to find. Your light stays in my mind. Through storms we still align. Our hearts will never blind.
Thank you for following the tutorial from AI Colony. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the latest strategies and tools around AI and viral content. And remember, this is just the beginning. With creativity and the power of AI, you can build an incredible digital content empire. Keep experimenting, keep working. See you in the next video. This is AI Colony. See you again.